accountable. If it's an agent, who does that sit with?
Yeah.
Presumably it's, it would rest on the shoulders of the person leading the AI function. But even that's up in the air these days.
No, I don't think it is the person who runs the AI function. I think ownership, just like data governance, belongs within the business.
Yeah.
The only reason you have an AI agent or whatever you're running is to perform an action. That action is on behalf of the business, is to perform an operation. It naturally falls within their remit.
Yeah.
It doesn't make sense for it to be outside. And I think that level of personal responsibility could create those limits, just like you've got the senior management regime with the FCA of the senior managers of a financial organisation are personally responsible if that organisation goes belly up. And I think you have to have that same level of responsibility with AI. Now, I know as a layperson, they can't control it, but they can have the risk processes in place. They can demand to say, I want you to be able to do this, and I want someone who knows what they're doing to be able to show me how it does this. And as a data governance or as an AI governance person, they're there to put the policies in place, they're to put the frameworks into place to satisfy those owners that everything is going on, and they have that level of responsibility to be able to do that. And so, because if you said to someone, "Look, you're the owner of this now," what, really? I don't know if it works or not. But if you empower someone and show to them and say, "Okay, here it is. Here's the actual proof that this is doing this, and we run this on this basis, and et cetera, and we have these controls into place. We've got these guardrails into place. We have these limits into place." Then, if I was that business owner, I'd be happy to say, yeah, this is good. This is doing what I want it to do. Otherwise, it's like having a factory that full well is stuffing asbestos in baby toys. No, someone needs to take responsibility for that. It's not the person who is on the actual on the conveyor belt doing it, and it has to therefore belong to somebody higher up to say, this is what you're actually doing. You take responsibility for that. You were the one who wanted to sell teddy bears. You needed to know what was going into those teddy bears, just like you would need to know what's going into your AI models.